Dr. Althea 345 Relief Cream Review Full Guide 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to review the Dr. Althea 345 Relief Cream. So as you can see, this is the official website of Dr. Althea and it's $27 USD for the pricing, and it says it's a relief cream. And if we see on their official website, the reviews are like 4.8% positive review, that's 5 star for 220 and 4 star for 50. So there is the positive side. As you can see, it helps remove your acne or bronze from your face. So they can just fake out the reviews on their official website. So let's just check on the Amazon. So on the Amazon, there is total of 3,334 ratings, and maximum is 4.5 star rating, although, and 5 star rating is 77%, 4 star rating 10%, 3 star rating 6%, and 2 star rating is 2%, and the other 5% is 1 star rating. So it promises to blemish relief care, soothing recovery, and moisture with niacinamide, panthenol, Korean vegan skincare for all skin types. So let's just look over to the reviews. So as you can see, the positive reviews is as a dedicated skin enthusiast, the bug lady. Especially when it comes to Korean skincare, I'm always at the lookout, and the packaging and presentation is all good, ingredients, formula, and many more. They have just said. Let's just look for the negative reviews like this one, the 1 star review. Let's just see that. So I can already say that uh, if most of the person is giving 5 star reviews, and that's nearly 77%, this product can be a good one and the positive one. So you can just use it, and please be cautious before using it, because as it will be used on your skin, and that's the most sensitive part of your body. So let's check for the ingredients and all. If you have any issues in your skin, or if you have a sensitive skin. So that's it for this video. See you on the next video.